Most affiliates waste hours writing reviews or hundreds of dollars outsourcing them, and still miss out on the launch traffic that makes all the sales. Freelancers. Expensive, slow, and hit or miss. Generic AI tools. Monthly fees, word limits, and content that sounds robotic. And doing it all yourself? That's the fastest way to burn out. That's why I created Affiliate Review Engine. It's the only AI system built specifically for affiliates. Paste in a product link, answer 3 guided prompts, and in minutes you get a 2,500 to 4,000 plus word review, structured to rank and sell. And right now, access is simple, one-time unlimited use. But be warned, this founder's deal won't last. Once our full portal and API system goes live, Affiliate Review Engine will switch to a monthly or yearly subscription. So if you're serious about publishing reviews that actually convert, click below and grab access today before this one-time deal disappears.